welcome back. So this is exactly where we left off yesterday. Excuse me. We wrote part of our story that told who was there when we were doing that small moment and where we were. Today, we're going to talk a little bit more about when it happened and how we felt while we were doing it. All right, so you're going to need to turn to a new page in your notebook. I have a new piece of paper. Okay, so we already did these two. So now we're working on this one. All right, when did it happen? It was fall, it was day, it was cold and sunny and windy. Now to put all those in a sentence, it would be a lot. So some of these I can just save for when I'm drawing my picture, because sunny is an easy detail to draw. Raise your hand if you ever drew a sun in your picture. Yeah, so I could do that. And windy, I could draw wind. So I wonder about a fall day and it's cold. What sentence could it be that makes sense? When did it happen? It was, what if I did that? It was a cold fall day. Yeah, I like that because it tells me that it was cold, it tells me that it's fall, and it tells me that it's during the day. Wow, excellent. Okay, so it was a cold fall day. Say it one more time to help us remember what we are writing, because writers always think first. Okay, so we thought, let's remember, it was a cold fall day. It was a cold fall day. Okay, it. Power word, it. I. Wait, it's my very first word in the sentence, very first letter. What does it have to be? Capital. It. Good. It. It's hard to see with my pencil. I'm gonna switch back to my pen. I'd rather use a pencil because I make mistakes. It's easy to erase. It was a cold fall day. It was. Power word. Was. What letter would it be under? W. Nice job. So if you have it, look under the W. Was. Power word. Our power word should be spelled correctly. So if we look under W, it was is W-A-S. It was a. I know how to spell that one. Thanks for helping. It was a cold fall day. I already did this work, so I can just use these words. It was a cold, can't forget my finger space though. Cold, O-L-D, I looked right there. It was a cold fall, because we have all, fall. Always a finger in between. Fall day. It was a cold fall day. Oh, close up my letter. It was a cold fall day. Yeah, that was my sentence, right? What goes at the end? Yep, the period tells you to stop. You notice I wrote it on the line. No floating periods. There's no ghost periods here. No way. All right. It was a cold fall day. That's right. I was excited. What was I excited for? I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. Yes, that's my sentence. Thank you. I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. Okay, I. Definitely a power word, but it's only one letter and I can hear it. I was. It's right there. I did the work once. I don't have to do it again. I was excited. I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. I was excited. I did do the work already, didn't I? Where is it? Where's the word excited? Right there. Nice job. I was excited. Excited. I already did the work, so it's right here. I was excited to, power word. What letter would it be under? T. Yep, definitely. T. How do you spell two? What's the next one? Power word. Thank you for whoever told me. Oh, I appreciate it. I was excited to jump in leaf pile. Now this says jumped. So I can't use the whole word because I have to think about what I'm writing. I was excited to jump, jump, jump. And that's a power word too. Just the word jump. I was excited to jump in. I already did the work, right? So did you. If you did this, you already did the work. I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. There's the word the that isn't here. But when we speak, that's what writing should be. Those same sentences and the words that we say should end up on your paper. I was excited to jump in the. Power word. How do you spell the? Keep going. What's the next letter? You are digraph TH. Nice job. I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. Don't forget my finger space. L-E, what did I write? F, pile, P-I-L. Nice job. It was a cold fall day. I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. So this is the part that isn't on here. What did I do? What were the events? If you're thinking about your 5-finger retail, what were the events? Raise your hand if you've ever jumped in a leaf pile. Yeah. Okay, so what was the first thing you did? You didn't just automatically end up there. What did you do? Yeah, I did too. Brain match. I ran. That's a sentence right there. I and ran. So let's write that. I ran. An. An. R. An. An is a power word. There's a power word inside of ran. An. I ran. Do you see it? If I cover up the you see an. An. I ran. That's it. What happens after you run? I ran. What is that? Like you run. You see my legs going? You ran. And then what do? You just run into the leaf pile? No, you leap and you jump. I ran. What did I do after I ran? I jumped. I love it. And guess what? I spelled jumped already. Jumped. Oh, almost ran out of room. Phew, just in time. I ran, I jumped. Ooh, we're gonna stop right there. All right. I know, it's so exciting. I can't wait to see what I did at the end. So I'm gonna save my ending for another page. Okay, so your job today is to tell me when it happened. So what kind of day or what kind of night it was. Or maybe it was winter. Tell me. And then how you felt and what was the first thing you did. Okay, so it's three things today. So a sentence about when it was, about how you felt, and then what was the first event in your moment. Okay, maybe if you're thinking about doing a backflip at altitude, what was the first thing you did? How do you start that? Or maybe it was going sledding. What was the first thing you did? All right, so it was a cold fall day. I was excited to jump in the leaf pile. I ran. I jumped. So right now I'm just flying in the air. There's no ending yet. So that's going to be for another day. That'll be tomorrow. So I want you to tell me when it happened, how you felt, and the first thing you did. So the beginning of your small moment. All right? I know you can do it. When you're done with this page, take a picture, upload it to Schoology, and tomorrow we will end our story. And then we're going to illustrate. Okay? Have a fantastic day. I look forward to hearing about this part of your story. Leave me hanging. I don't want to know the end yet. I get so excited waiting to see what happened. All right. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow. Bye.